I forgot to mention about computing histograms is that the x-axis is in spaces 0 to 256, each pixel representing a pixel black to white, which is 0 being black and white being 256. So I'm going to compute the histograms of the nebula and a picture I took um, in a plant pot I was keeping, and I'll show you the picture. So it's this thing. Um, and I wanted to see what was growing like at the very bottom where the dark soil was. So back to the program. We're going to compute the histogram of Andy and show you the nebula. Okay, so this is the nebula, and we can see that um, the darkest pixels are between stars, and the lightest pixels are in the center. Um, and so go out in rings. So let's say that we're looking at the brightest like orange spot. That would probably be like um really high pixel um and like the 100s higher than 100. And the darkest pixels would be lower than 100. Um let's see. For pixels that are lower than 100. Well, most of them were filled, and this was just making sure the nebula histogram. So yeah, the seven to the four time is a high number of dark pixels, and then we go lower. We get 7.8 for lighter pixels. So exactly what I'm saying is that there are more dark pixels in the nebula picture. So now let's look at strawberry seeds that I planted in my pot. Okay, so now we looked at a pic. This specifically, this picture. This is the histogram that's going to show mostly like a lot of light um light colors, probably like higher than 200. And so we go further down the list and we see the number gets smaller. It gets smaller as you get closer to 256. So the fewest amount of pixels are around the white range in a grayscale, 0 to 256.